Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity. Second one, molar conductance or molar conductivity. First, equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity. Conducting power of all ions produced by 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte present in definite volume of solution is called equivalent conductivity. Another way, conductance of definite volume, certain volume of a solution containing 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. When the solution is placed between two parallel electrodes which are separated apart by a distance of 1 centimeter and have sufficient or large enough area to hold whole of the solution in it is called equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity. Another point, conductivity of a solution. We can write relationship with specific conductance, means relationship between specific conductance and equivalent conductance. If 1 cc, 1 cubic centimeter of solution contain 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, then the conductance of solution equal to specific conductance of solution, kappa, equal to equivalent conductance of solution. If solution is 1 cc which contain 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, then conductance equal to specific conductance or conductivity equal to equivalent conductance. Next point, we can say if V milliliter VCC of a solution contain 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, then equivalent conductance equal to specific conductance into, means conductivity, into VCC or V milliliter of solution. If C gram equivalent per liter is the concentration of solution, then equivalent conductivity or equivalent conductance equal to specific conductance into 1000 by C, where C is the, then VCC equal to 1000 by CCC, V equal to 1000 by C cubic centimeter. On putting this value here, equivalent conductance equal to conductivity into 1000 by C. Since concentration in gram equivalent per liter, concentration in gram equivalent per liter, C gram equivalent per liter, C gram equivalent per liter equal to normality of solution. Therefore, equivalent conductance of solution equal to specific conductance or conductivity into 1000 divided by normality of solution. Now unit of solution, unit of equivalent conductance is here per ohm, centimeter square, per gram equivalent, per gram equivalent. This is the in CGS system, and in SI system, unit is per ohm or Simon meter square per gram equivalent, per gram equivalent. We can say this one also, Simon centimeter square per gram equivalent. This per gram equivalent we can write this way also. And here Simon meter square per gram equivalent, per gram equivalent. Then let us see now molar conductivity of solution. The conducting power of all ions produced by 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 gram molecule of electrolyte present in a definite volume of solution is called molar conductivity or molar conductance of solution. Second way, we can say also same thing. Conductance of a definite volume, certain volume of solution. Conductance of definite volume or certain volume of solution containing 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 gram molecule of electrolyte, when it is placed between 2 parallel electrodes which are separated apart by a distance of 1 centimeter and have sufficient area or large enough area to hold whole of the solution in it, is called molar conductance or molar conductivity. Now, if solution is 1 centimeter cube which contain 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 gram molecule of electrolyte, then conductance of solution equal to specific conductance equal to molar conductance or molar conductivity of solution. Here, for example, solution contains 1 gram molecule, 1 mole of electrolyte, then conductance equal to specific conductance equal to molar conductance of solution. 1 mole of electrolyte, remember. Now, another thing, if V milliliter, VCC of a solution contain 1 mole of solute, 1 gram molecule of solute, then the molar conductivity of solution equal to specific conductance into 1000 by into this VCC or V milliliter of solution. If VCC or V milliliter solution contain 1 mole, 1 gram molecule of electrolyte, then molar conductance equal to specific conductance into VCC. If C is the concentration of solution in mole per liter, C is the concentration of solution, concentration in moles per liter, moles per liter, then VCC, V equal to 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. Then V equal to 1000 by C, cc or milliliter. On putting this value here, molar conductivity equal to specific conductivity into 1000 by C is called molar conductivity of solution. And here concentration of a solution in moles per liter is called molarity. C equal to molarity of solution. Molarity of solution. Then we can write here molar conductivity of solution equal to specific conductivity into 1000 by molarity of solution. Now let us see unit. Unit of molar conductivity or molar conductance. Unit per ohm, centimeter square per mole. Or that is in CGS system. In SI system, this one also can be written as per ohm meter square per mole, or we can write here Simon meter square per mole. Then in SI system, Simon meter square per mole is the unit of molar conductivity. Now, relation between molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity or equivalent conductance. First, equivalent conductivity divided by molar conductivity equal to specific conductance into 1000 by C, equivalent conductivity CEQ. Here containing 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte divided by specific conductivity into 1000 divided by concentration of solution containing in moles per liter. Moles per liter. Then here we can write specific conductivity cancelled. That part is cancelled. Then here Cm by Ceq. Concentration in mole per liter by concentration in gram equivalent per liter. This is the equivalent conductance divided by molar conductance. That's all for today. Thank you.